All right, oh, I didn't say to do anything with the book, ma'am. I'll wait until my friends follow directions. There we go. My friends. Retire. Thanks. Kanaya. I didn't say to touch the book. Now, I believe that my friends. Malachi, were you here yesterday?
No.
Okay, well, he needs a review because he wasn't here. So let's talk about what we learned. What was our story about? Kanaya? What was our story about? Why are you doing that? Donasia, what was our story about? At home in the ocean. Tell me an animal you learned about. Retire, you can have your book back as soon as you stop not following direction. Come over here. Already talking, having signed on. What animal did we learn about? Rondez.
In the ocean.
All right, I see we're going to have to reread the story. Let's go. Turn to page 14. Retire, you need to be over here with me.
At home in the ocean.
Put your name in. Thank you. Do it again.
All right, my friends. You should be on the title page. Excuse me.
No talking. Everybody's working individually.
Retire, can she get a chance to find it? Thanks. No, Retire. She has it, sweetheart. She has it. I'm going to have to read to you guys. You ready? At home in the ocean. At home in the ocean. I want you all to read after me. Okay? The ocean is big. It is big and blue as far as you can see.
It's big and blue as far as you can see.
Retire, if you don't get your act together, you do it again and you will be changing your color. You do it again, you'll be changing your color. You understand me? It's okay, I'll change it for you. It is home to many plants and animals. Put your books down.
It is home to many plants and animals.
Read along. Retire. Don't worry, I'm changing your color, sweetheart. I don't like to be mocked. The biggest animals in the ocean are blue whales.
The biggest animals in the ocean are big whales.
Do me a favor. Read the words or repeat after me so you can see that the words match, okay? I don't want you to just mumble. They eat little animals called krill. Turn the page.
Let's go, Keontae. Get started. Do your work.
Many animals live in cold water.
Many animals live in cold water.
Soft voices, you're not yelling. Brr. Penguins swim fast. They flap their wings to zip, zip, zip in the water. How do penguins swim fast? Malachi? With their wings. I want you to put your book down. That's not how I want you to read your book. Excellent. Turn the page. Manatees live where the water is warm. They do not swim fast. Manatees eat lots and lots of plants. Then they rest. So, wait, really quick question. Where do the manatees live? Where do the manatees live, Donasia? In the warm water. Excellent job. Kanaya, next time I'd like for you to go back. Thanks. The turtle swims far.
The turtle swims far.
It digs in the sand.
It digs in the sand.
And lays its eggs.
And lays its eggs.
Then it swims back to the ocean home. Quick question. Don't turn the page yet. So, pay attention to me. Pay attention to me. Where does the turtle leave its eggs? Where does the turtle leave its eggs, Arante? In the sand. Then where does the turtle go? Home, back in the ocean. Turn the page. Kelp is the biggest plant in the ocean. It can grow fast. Kelp can grow 2 feet in a day. Put your chair down. Sea otters get lots of food here. Excellent. So what do sea otters eat? What do sea otters eat, Kanaya? What do sea otters eat? Rondez. What is it called? Kelp. Say it right. Kelp. Excellent job going back to the text. Lots of plants and animals, big and little, live in the ocean. The ocean is their home. Retaya, I'd like for you to sit by yourself and read the story over again so that you can get the problem right.
I know it.
I'd like for you to sit by yourself and reread the story. Okay, Retaya. When you do what I ask you to do, then you'll be able to participate in the fun. But right now you're not doing that, and so when you do what I ask you to do, then you can participate. As for the time being, you're not in our group anymore. All right, my friends, I want you to close your books. No, I want you to close your books, and I want you to put your book underneath your desk. Underneath your chair, excuse me. Underneath your chair, excuse me. Now, everyone's going to get their own poster. I don't want you to touch anything yet. I don't want you to touch anything yet. Thank you to my friends who are waiting patiently. I very much appreciate that. Excuse me. Excuse me. Ma'am, could you sit up? Can you sit up? Because now you're ruining my poster. Thank you. So everyone has... You're not touching anything yet. Everyone has their own poster. That means you have your own words. I want you to spread your words out so you can read them all. And I want you to read them to yourselves before you do anything. Retaya, you're not in our group, ma'am, because you didn't read that story that quickly. So I need you to go back, read it, and then you can join our group again. Ma'am, you're not in our group right now. You need to reread this story sitting right here. Once you're done, you may rejoin our group. I want you to sound out every word. I want you to sound it out. Come on, go. Warm. All these words are words we've seen. Did I say to solve it yet? Did I say to solve it? No, not yet. I don't want you to solve it yet. What I want you to do is once you're not solving it yet, your words should be spread out like Darnasia's. They should just be spread out in random spaces. Excellent. Make sure you don't get your words mixed up with anyone else's. They need to be on your poster. What you're going to do is you can use your book to help you figure out where they go, where each word goes. Ma'am, I'm talking.
Are the blue whales
I need you to follow directions. Kanaya, do you understand me? Do you understand me? Use your words.
in the ocean?
Now, you are going to use your book if you need to, but if not, you can do it on your own. Once you get this part, I'll let you know what you're doing next. Go.
Many animals live in cold water. Penguins.
Excellent job to my friends going back to the text. That's what I want you guys to practice. Excellent. Keep going. I want you to find the place where it talks about penguins. And then I want you to move your pieces based on what you see in the text. Because all the sentences are the same. Okay?
What is this one, Miss Gentry?
I'm going to tell you right now, you're going to have to go back to the text. Okay?
Gentry, what is this word?
It's one of the animals we look at the picture. What is the picture? That's what it says. I want you to use your context clues.
A turtle.
You ready to join us? Are you ready to participate and follow the directions? I'm only asking because if you do it again, I'm moving your color and you can stay on the carpet. You understand? Slide over for me, please.
What she say?
Actually, it's not. And I think you knew where to find the first one. I want you to go back and find the second one. Now you have your own poster. Can you guys slide over a tiny bit? Can you slide over just a tiny bit? Thank you. You can use your text if you want to, or you can fill in the blanks on your own. Got it?
I'm done with Gentry.
Okay. No. That second one is right. The first one is wrong. The third one is wrong. And all the rest of them are wrong. Excellent. I want you to sound it out. Just 3 letters. R.
What I can do? Miss Gentry, y'all just like. What I can do?
You're fine. I'm about to tell you.
I
Give me a
just
second.
like.
Manatees live where the water is plants. That's all you have to do. It's all the same in the text. You don't even know what you're doing yet. You so hyped. So you're gonna pick one. Matter of fact, I'm gonna tell you which one. I got you. Turtle, sand in the dig? No, that don't even sound right. You're gonna think of an animal that swims fast, and you're gonna compare it to penguins. Okay? When you're ready and you're done pouting, then you can do that. Okay? Remember, you have an opportunity to do the right thing, and I would like for you to do it. I see that you can. Dig in the sand. Actually, it's not that hard. I think you can do it. I really believe in you. I'm telling you to think of an animal that swims fast. Any animal you know. Grab a book. Matter of fact, grab Kanaya's book because she doesn't need it anymore. I gotta retire. You're good. Thank you for sharing. I appreciate that. And I want you to reread the story. I'm telling you, this is fine. This is fine. Penguins swim their wings to flap fast. How's she gonna learn if you tell her the answers?
Plant, then rest.
Excellent. So here's what you're gonna do. I need you to read the story. Page 15.
This right?
So and so now I want you to use this one. Turtles dig in the sand. What other animal digs? That's what I want you to think of. Oh man, there goes the timer. It doesn't matter, Retire.
I need a mop. Miss.
It's okay because we don't have time. But what I want you to think of, we don't have time, so I'm about to give you different directions.
What does say?
Doesn't matter because no, Rondez. Rondez, I'm calling your name because I don't want you to write anymore. We don't have time, sweetheart. It's okay. Now, what I want you to do to clean up, Retire, come here. Retire, can you collect the boards? Rondez, can you collect the white pieces of paper? Please. And Donasia, can you collect the colored pieces? Kanaya, can you grab the books?
What you want me to do?
You're collecting the whiteboards. We're about to clean up. Retire, I don't want you to do that. I want you to collect the boards, not write on them. You must not have understood my directions. Then I need you to do that. I don't want you to write on the board when I tell you not to. Then please erase and do your job or I can have you replaced. The rest of my friends, I want you to sit. Kanaya, that's not... No, thanks. Malachi, can you collect the books? Because Kanaya's not doing her job correctly. Kanaya, have a seat. Have a seat. Leave the books there. Leave them there. Have a seat. Because if you're not going to do your job correctly, I'm going to have someone else do it. Got it? Now go back to your seat, please. Retire, excellent job. Can you leave them on that table right there? Perfect. Can you put all those on top of the colored pieces of paper when you're done? I very much appreciate you. Kanaya, I need you to stand up like a first grade scholar. Kanaya, stand up. And I need you to walk around and try it again because we walk in this classroom. We do not crawl.
Okay.
Excellent job, Retire. Hurry up and put those on top of the colored pieces of paper for me, please. Thank you kindly. No, friend, have a seat. Makai, is that what I asked you to do?
Let's Gentry stop and stop the lunch.
Yeah, help Grandma Wood. Excellent job to my friends.